Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex handheld vacuum cleaner. So inside, this is what it comes with. You have the handheld vacuum cleaner. You have a crevice tool, push and brush. You have the hard rubber and soft rubber brushes here, the USB-C charging cable, and then you have a few attachments here for the blow nozzle. You have a short, long, and a multi air blower. So you can use these for like swim rings, yoga balls, and air mattresses. User manual, extra filter, storage case, and then you have a flexible hose. So briefly going over some specs, this is the Slim V8 Apex model. This is a 4-in-1 brushless digital motor. You can vacuum, inflate, blow, and pump. This can be used for car detailing, home cleaning, pet, office, or summer camping. The capacity is 120 milliliters. Working time is 40 minutes. 19,000 kPa suction power. USB-C charging port. 80,000 RPMs. One touch empty. It weighs in at 1.1 pounds. LED display. The recharge time is 2.5 hours, and it comes with the cleaning accessories, the 10 cleaning accessories. So here's a look at the vacuum cleaner. It's very lightweight and compact in size. You have the Fanttik branding here on the side. You have the power button along with the mode button from going to low to high. And then you have the button here to open the canister, to empty out the debris, and then you can remove the filter, and it's also washable. This is where you attach the vacuum attachments, and on the back you have the USB-C charge port, and you attach the blower attachments here. So powering up the vacuum, you have the power button here, so pressing it once, you'll see the blue LED, and that's on eco mode, and that will last about 40 minutes of run time. Pressing the button again will turn green, and that's on the high mode, and that's about 13 minutes of run time. The LED will turn orange when it's low on battery. So using the attachments is simple. Attaching it in the front here for the vacuum for the crevice tool. Just attach like so, and then you can begin cleaning up. Suction is pretty strong. This is on the, again, the eco, the low mode, and then going on high. You can definitely feel it there. And then looking at the blower on the back, this is for air mattresses. Just twist it like so, and power it up, and you can feel the air. All right, let's test out the vacuum cleaner. I have some rice grains here along with some pieces of paper. Let's start off with the low setting. You can see it's picking it up with no problems here. So picked everything up. You can see all the debris there. And then to empty the canister, just want to pull here, the yellow lever here, and then press the button. Then you can empty it out in the trash. You can also twist the canister like so, and you'll have access to the filter to remove it and wash it. Now trying out the high setting, again, just press the power button, and then press the top button to go to the high setting. Doing it with these, a lot of power here, you can see it pick up. No problems at all. So that's a look at the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex handheld vacuum cleaner. I feel this is very versatile, can be used for your car, at home, or on the go. It comes with many attachments with the crevice tool, the air inflation, and you got the two modes, the low and the high. Plenty of power just to pick up the everyday type of debris. So I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.